Hello. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to place an ad on Ziprecruiter. Now, the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Ziprecruiter employer account. All right, which of course I have done right there. So you need to have an employer account for you to place an ad, which is also known as posting a job. You can also do that in your job seeker account. But I'm just going to go because once you do that in your job seeker account, okay, let's say for example, I want to launch my job seeker account now. So this is my job seeker account. And if you want to post a job, you can just scroll the way down and click on post a job. And it's going to require you to create an employer account. So after creating an employer account, this is what your homepage is going to look like in the employer account. Yeah, so this is what it's going to look like. So from here, if you want to place an ad, which is post a job, head over to this left corner and click on post a job. Now, once you click on post a job. So in here, go ahead and enter. So if you've added a previous job, you can click on duplicate previous job. But over here, you can enter the job title for this job, job location, the street address. And then here you have this. Can this role be performed as a remote work from home job with no on-site work required? You can click on yes, you can click on no. And the employment type, check the drop down menu and select the employment type. Then enter the job description in here. So once you do that, add the benefits by checking the boxes. Then you have the pay information. Please include pay information or use ZipRecruiter estimated pay. So you can use estimated pay or you can do provide my own. Provide my own is going to allow you to put the pay type, minimum pay, maximum pay, currency, and frequency. So you can even add commission. Check this box if you want to add commission. Or you can use the estimated pay for you to see the estimated pay option. Here you have skills. Enter desired skills that you want and click on add. You can add more skills, just keep adding. And you have the hiring company. What's the company that is hiring? Add the name. Add a new hiring company if you have not added one before. So why work at this company? Let them know the benefits that they stand to get. And then the hiring company descriptions, go ahead and describe your company. And send new candidates to alert emails with new candidates to be sent to this, or you can even add a new user for all candidates or alert emails to be sent there. And you have this only show me candidates within 100 miles of this job location, or accept applicants that a resume or profile. Check any of those boxes. And once you're done filling out those boxes, go ahead and click on save and post now. And once you do that, it's going to take you to the next page where you're going to be asked to subscribe for you to post your job live. But if you don't want to subscribe, then just go ahead and save. Then it's just going to be saved to the list of jobs that you have posted. So if you want to see that you've really posted that job, go ahead and click on jobs at the left corner of the screen. Okay. So click on job. And you're going to find your job. So this is the one that I created before. So it's here. If you want to post it live, click on post, pay the amount of money that you requested to do, and it's going to be live. So this is pretty much how you can post an ad or post a job, place an ad or post a job in Ziprecruiter. So you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.